Have you ever wondered what it's really like to live in a nursing home? A few years ago, I made the difficult decision to move into one, thinking it would be the best choice for my health and safety. But now, I regret it. And today, I want to share with you the 6 hard truths I wish I had known before making that decision. This isn't just my story. It's a reality many seniors face. If you or a loved one are considering a nursing home, please watch this till the end. It might change everything. Welcome to Refined Wisdom, the place where timeless knowledge meets modern living. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to a stronger, healthier, and longer life, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join a community that's redefining aging with strength and purpose. Hard Truth 1: Loss of independence. The first hard truth they don't prepare you for. You lose your independence completely. Not gradually, not in small ways. Overnight, every decision you once took for granted is stripped away. At home, I decided when to eat, when to sleep. If I wanted to sit in the dark at midnight listening to music, no one cared. Here, breakfast is at 7:30 a.m. sharp, even if you're not hungry. Bedtime is 8 p.m., even if you're wide awake. And if you need the bathroom, better hope it's allowed, or that someone answers your call button before it's too late. Privacy? Gone. They walk in whenever they want, changing you, bathing you, checking on you like you're a thing that needs maintenance. Dignity? Optional. I've been scolded for wandering down the hall without permission. I've had aides sigh when I ask for help dressing. Once I overheard a nurse say, "They're all like toddlers anyway." That's what this feels like, being a child again. But worse, because you remember what it was like to be an adult. Hard Truth 2: Loneliness is inescapable. You'd think a place full of people would feel alive, wouldn't you? That there'd be conversation, laughter, some semblance of community? Wrong. Most residents are too sick to talk, too medicated to stay awake, too heartbroken to try. And the ones who still have their minds, they're drowning in grief for their lost homes, their lost freedom, their lost families. Ah yes, family, they promise to visit. At first they do, but then life gets busy. Kids have soccer games, work gets stressful, and one day you realize it's been weeks, months. You stop counting. The staff? They're not cruel, just stretched too thin. They'll bathe you, feed you, change you, but they don't have time to know you. You're a task on a checklist, another body in a bed. The worst part? You can be surrounded by people, nurses, roommates, therapists, and still feel completely alone. The silence between "how are you" and "need anything" is the loudest thing you'll ever hear. Hard Truth 3: Declining health. I sold my home, spent my savings, all because I believed this place would keep me healthy. But here's the ugly truth. For many of us, it accelerates the decline. At home, I cooked fresh vegetables. Here, carbs and preservatives because they're cheap and easy to swallow. At home, I gardened. Here, I'm told sitting is safer. At home, my doctor knew me. Here, a parade of agency nurses who can't spell my diagnoses. Wonderful caregivers exist, but they quit. The burnout ones who stay, they're drowning in 20 patients each. So your care plan becomes whatever's fastest. They call this skilled nursing. But when you beg for help to walk so your muscles don't turn to jelly, too high a fall risk. When you're thirsty at 2 a.m., shifts change then, press the button and wait. And my favorite game, Who Are You Today? New staff every week means re-explaining your allergies, your pain, your humanity, until you stop bothering. Easier to just fade away. Hard Truth 4. It's expensive and feels like a business. Let's talk money, because no one warned me just how brutal the costs would be. The average nursing home in the U.S. charges between $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and if you need memory care, even more. That's $60,000 to $120,000 a year, more than most people's lifetime savings. For that price, you'd expect 5-star treatment, right? But here's the reality. You're not a guest, you're a revenue stream. Care feels transactional, like you're a number on a ledger. Need an extra blanket? That might be an upcharge. Forgotten your toothpaste? There's a $10 convenience fee at the facility shop. And the contracts? They're designed to protect the business, not you. Additional services not included. That vague phrase can mean $50 for a blood pressure check or $200 for specialized hygiene assistance. And if your savings run low, suddenly that priority attention dries up. I've seen it happen. The sweet lady down the hall, her family couldn't keep up with the 7% annual price hikes. She was moved to a shared room with half the staff attention. Meanwhile, the parent company posted $2 billion in profits last year. I wish I'd known. There are cheaper, kinder alternatives. Home health aides, adult day programs, or even moving in with family. Because once you're in the system, it's designed to keep draining your funds, not your dignity. Hard Truth 5. The food is depressing. Bon appetit. Welcome to the culinary wasteland of your golden years. At home, I cooked Moroccan stews with apricots, baked bread just to smell it. Here, low sodium, low spice, low effort is the mantra, because God forbid an old person actually taste something. They'll tell you it's nutritionally balanced, and sure, it keeps you alive. But alive isn't the same as living. When every bite tastes like cardboard soaked in regret, you start wondering why you bother chewing. You're not finishing your veggies, Mr. Lewis. Maybe because they've been boiled into submission, Linda. Maybe because I've had these exact same peas every Thursday for 3 years. For some, meals were love. Sunday sauces, holiday pies, the way your granddaughter's cookies always burn just a little. Now, it's fuel, served at 5:17 p.m. sharp. Whether you're hungry or not. Hard Truth 6. You might feel forgotten. They said they'd come every Sunday. They meant it when they said it. At first, they visit like it's an emergency, like your being here is temporary, then it becomes normal. And normal things don't need special attention. It's not that they don't love you. It's that you're not real to them anymore. You're the obligation they feel guilty about, not the person who taught them to ride a bike, who laughed at their terrible jokes. The cruelest part? You start to forget yourself. when no one remembers your stories, your favorite songs, what made you you, you begin to disappear, even to yourself. Conclusion: is there a better option? I'm not saying nursing homes are evil. Some need 24/7 care. But explore alternatives first: in-home aids, senior communities, or family support. Whatever you choose, go in with open eyes. If this video helps even one person avoid my regrets, sharing this was worth it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And if you're a family member, visit your loved ones often. Until next time, cherish your freedom.